Hello students, welcome back to Tharun's tutorials 12th Applied Mathematics. In the previous sessions, we have learnt about matrices. We learnt the order of matrix, type of matrices, what are the arithmetic operations we can perform with the matrices, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, and we have learnt how to equate two matrices, and we found how to find the transpose of a matrix. With the concept of transpose of a matrix, we learnt what is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrices. So, these are the details we have learnt so far. After studying all the problems, now we are going to study today case study questions. Is it clear? How they will ask case study questions in matrices? We are going to learn about that. Okay. Before going to that, let me recollect certain concepts in matrices. So, what are the things we have learned in matrices? We have learnt what is a matrix, order of a matrix, type of matrices, okay, and all these things related to the order of matrix. Then we have learned how to generate matrices by the given formula, okay, generation of matrices. Then equality of matrices. When two matrices are said to be equal? Two matrices are said to be equal only when they are of same order and their corresponding elements are also same. Is it clear? Then what are the operations we can perform in matrices? We can perform addition. When we can add two matrices can be added only when they are of same order. That is the critical condition to be satisfied. If they are not going to be of same order, we cannot add them. Okay. If they are going to be of same order, then the corresponding elements will be added. Then subtraction of matrices. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. Then multiplication of two matrices. When we can multiply two matrices? If A and B are two matrices of different order, A is a matrix of order m by n, then B must be a matrix with n rows and it can have any number of columns, because the condition to be satisfied is the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Then only we can perform the matrix multiplication. Is it clear? And we used to find the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? If A is a matrix, then A transpose is nothing but changing row elements of matrix A to column elements. Is it clear? Interchanging rows into columns. This is a very important concept, transpose of a matrix. Using the concept of transpose of a matrix, we found out symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrices. What is symmetric matrix? If A transpose is equal to A, then it is called symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to minus A, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. Is it clear? And before going to the case study questions, what is a row matrix? A row matrix is a matrix which is going to have only one row. It can have any number of columns. So, if I am going to have A with one row and 3 columns, then the elements will be A11, A12, A13, and B is a matrix of order 3 by 1. Then it will be having 3 row, 1 column, B11, B21 and B31. How to multiply? If you are going to multiply A with B, then A11, A12, A13 multiplied with B11, B21, B31. So, how to multiply? We have to multiply row element with column elements. So, here we are having 3 elements in the row and here we are having 3 elements in the column. So, we have to multiply first element with the first element. So, it will be A11 multiplied with the B11. So, first element multiplied with the first element plus second element is going to be multiplied with the second element. So, it is A12 multiplied with B21. Then A13 is multiplied with B31. So, 1 row 3 column is multiplied with the 3 row 1 column matrix. So, the resultant matrix will have only one element. Is it clear? So, this is the introduction for the problems what we are going to see in today's session. Okay, in today's session we are going to study about case study questions. Okay, let us consider this case study question. Let me read the question. A manufacturer produces 3 stationery products. So, he is going to produce 3 products: pencil, eraser and sharpener, which he sells in 2 markets. Okay. One is market A, the other one is market B. The annual sales in each market for each product they are given as a table. Okay. For pencil, for market A it is going to be 10,000, eraser it is going to be 2,000 and sharpener it is going to be 18,000. So, for market A, for each product they have given the sales data. Is it clear? And for market B also they have given the sales data. It is going to be 6,000, 20,000 and 8,000. And now, if the unit price of pencil, eraser and sharpener are given to be rupees 250, rupees 150, rupees 1 respectively. The selling price of each unit for each product they are given separately. For pencil it is going to be 2 rupees 50 paise, for eraser it is going to be 1 rupee 50 paise and for sharpener it is going to be 1 rupee. Is it clear? Suppose if I am going to sell 5 units of pencil, then how much I will earn? 5 into 2 rupees 50 paise, 5 into 2 rupees 50 paise. Is it clear? And how much I will earn, how much I will get has to be found out by number of units sold into selling price of 1 unit. Is it clear? So, we have to multiply how many units of pencil sold with the selling price of pencil. Is it clear? And again they are given the cost of each product. For pencil it is going to be 2 rupees, for eraser it is going to be 1 rupee and for sharpener it is going to be 50 paise. Is it clear? Based on this we are supposed to answer the following question. The first question is, find the total revenue for market A, Find the total revenue for market B. Find the profit in the market A. Find the profit in market B. We have to answer this 3 questions, and the last question is going to be the choice question, but we will try to solve that also. Is it clear? So, how to represent the given data in matrices form? Is it clear? So, we are going to write this data as row matrix. Is it clear? And the selling price and the cost price will be written in the column matrix. So, we are going to write number of units sold, market A. It is going to be written in row matrix. It is going to be 10,000 units for pencil, 2,000 units for eraser, and 18,000 units for sharpener. And number of units sold in market B. It is the second row of the table. What is that? 6,000 for pencil, 20,000 for eraser, and 8,000 for sharpener. So, this is going to be a row matrix which contains 1 row and 3 columns. So, order of this matrix is going to be 1 by 3, and here it is going to be again 1 by 3. Okay. Now, I am going to write selling price of each unit of the product. Selling price of each unit. So, we try to write this as matrix S, selling price. The first one is going to be pencil. It is going to be 2 rupees 50 paise for pencil, and 1 rupee 50 paise for eraser, and 1 rupee for sharpener. And I am going to write cost price. Cost price of each unit. I write this as C matrix, matrix C. And this is also going to be a column matrix. So, for pencil it is going to be rupees 2 rupees. For eraser it is going to be 1 rupee. For sharpener it is going to be just 50 paise. So, we have written the data given in the question in matrix format, and the first 2 matrices, okay, the number of units sold in each market is going to be written in the row matrix. It is going to contain 1 row and 3 columns, and the selling price and the cost price of the matrix, each item is written in the column matrix. It is going to have 3 row 1 column. Here also it is going to be 3 row 1 column. And what is the first question? Find the total revenue from market A. How to find the total revenue? We have to multiply. Which we have to multiply? The number of units sold in each product in market A with the corresponding cost price. Is it clear? That is, A matrix should be multiplied with S matrix. So, total revenue from market A. Total revenue from market A is going to be equal to A multiplied with S. So, A matrix is 10,000, 2,000, 18,000 multiplied with column matrix. S matrix, selling price 2 rupee 50 paise, 1 rupee 50 paise and 1 rupee. So, in the previous slide I shown that how to multiply. Is it clear? First element will be multiplied with the first element, second element will be multiplied with the second element, and third element will be multiplied with the third element. I am going to multiply directly. 10,000 is going to be multiplied with 2 rupee 50 paise. 10,000 multiplied with 2 rupee 50 paise. So, it is going to be 25,000 plus 2,000 multiplied with 1 rupee 50 paise. 2,000 multiplied with 1 rupee 50 paise. It is going to be 3,000 plus 18,000 is multiplied with 1 rupee. So, it is going to be 18,000. So, when you add, the answer is going to be 25,000 plus 3,000, it is going to be 28,000. 28,000 plus 18,000, it is going to be 46,000. So, this is the total revenue from market A. This is the total revenue by selling the product for the producer from market A. So, the answer for the first question is going to be 46,000 rupees. Now, let us calculate what is the revenue from market B. We are going to find the revenue from market B. How to find the revenue from market B? We have to find the product, how much unit we sold in market B with the corresponding selling price of the units. So, we are going to calculate. Total revenue from market B. So, we are going to multiply B matrix with S matrix. B matrix is 6,000, it is a row matrix, 20,000 and 8,000. It is going to be multiplied with the column matrix 250, 150, 1 rupees. So, again we are going to use the same method of multiplication, row element with column element. Is it clear? 6,000 multiplied with 250, 6,000 units multiplied with 250. On multiplication 6,000 250, we are going to get 15,000 plus 20,000 is going to be multiplied with 1 rupee 50 paise. Is it clear? So, 20,000 multiplied with 150, it is going to be 30,000. Plus 8,000 multiplied with 1 rupee. So, it is going to be 8,000. So, when you add 15,000 we are going to add 15,000, 30,000 and 8,000. So, it is going to be 53,000. Okay. So, the total revenue from market B is going to be rupees 53,000. So, we got the answer for the second question. Total revenue from market B also we found out. So, we completed finding the revenue from market B. Now, we are going to find the profit from market A. How to find the profit from market A? First, we have to find the cost, that is the expense what we incur in producing that product for market A. That is cost price we have to calculate. Okay. Now we will try to calculate the cost price for market A. Cost price for market A. How to calculate cost price for market A? A matrix should be multiplied with the C matrix. A multiplied with the C. Okay. The number of units sold in market A should be multiplied with the corresponding cost price of the product. So again, matrix A is written. It is going to be 10,000 for pencil, 2,000 units sold in eraser, and 18,000 units sold in sharpener. And the cost price is given to be rupees 2 for pencil and rupees 1 for eraser and 0.5 rupees, that is 50 paise for sharpener. So we are going to multiply. So 10,000 multiplied with 2 rupees. So it is going to be 20,000 plus 2,000 is multiplied with 1 rupee. So 2,000 into 1 will be 2,000. First one is 20,000. We are going to multiply A matrix with cost matrix, C matrix. So first element is multiplied with the first element. So 10,000 is multiplied with 2 rupees. So it is going to be 20,000 plus second element is going to be multiplied with the second element. 2,000 multiplied with 1. It is going to be 2,000 plus 18,000 is multiplied with 0.50. So 18,000 is multiplied with 0.50. It is going to be 9,000. So we are going to add. So 20,000 plus 2,000, 22,000, 22,000 plus 9,000. It is going to be 30,000 rupees going to be the cost price. So how to find the profit from market A? Profit from market A is revenue minus cost. How much we earn? 46,000. How much we spend? 31,000. So what is the profit now? It is going to be rupees 15,000. This is the profit from market A. Now let us start calculating for profit from market B. So to find the profit from market B, we have to find the cost price for the products sold in market B. So cost price for the products sold in market B I am going to calculate. So how to calculate? Again same process. B matrix is multiplied with the C matrix. So how much units sold in market B? 6,000 for pencil and 20,000 for eraser and 8,000 for sharpener. And what is the cost price for each unit? For pencil it is going to be 2 rupees, for eraser it is going to be 1 rupee, for sharpener it is going to be 50 paise. I am going to multiply again. So 6,000 is multiplied with 2 rupees. So it is going to be 12,000. 6,000 into 2 is going to be 12,000 plus 20,000 multiplied with 1 rupee. It is going to be 20,000. 20,000 plus 8,000 multiplied with 50 paise. So 8,000 into 0.5. It is going to be 4,000. 4,000. Add. It is 12,000 plus 20,000. It is 32,000. 32,000 plus 4,000. It is going to be 36,000. So this is the cost price of the units pencil, eraser, sharpener sold in market B. Now we are going to find the profit in market B. How to find the profit? Profit from market B is nothing but revenue, that is income, minus expense. Expense is nothing but the cost. So how much we earn? 53,000 from market B. And how much we spend? 36,000. So what is the profit from market B? 53,000 minus 36,000. So we subtract. So it is going to be rupees 17,000. So this is the final answer. So in this question we found the revenue from market A, revenue from market B, and the cost of the products sold in market A, and the total cost of the products sold in market B, by which we found the revenue for market A and revenue for market B. Okay. So here this is the case study question based on matrices. Is it clear? Let us consider another problem. This also problem based on case study question, similar to previous one. Okay, read the question carefully. 3 schools, DPS, CVC and AVS decided to organize a fair for collecting money for helping flood victims. They sold handmade fans, mats and plates. So they are selling 3 products. One is, they are all handmade fan, mats and plates from recycled material at a cost of rupees 25, rupees 100 and rupees 50. That is, handmade fan cost 25 rupees, mats cost rupees 100 and plates cost rupees 50. Is it clear? And the number of articles sold by each school in each article are given in the table format. Is it clear? That is, DPS sold handmade fans 40 units, mats 50 units, plates 20 units. Is it clear? And the second school, CVC, sold handmade fans 25 units, mats 40 units and plates 30 units. Is it clear? And the KVS sold handmade fans 25 units, mats 50 units, plates 40 units. Okay, based on this detail, we are supposed to find what is the total money collected by DPS, total money collected by CVC and KVS, and the total amount money collected by all the 3 schools. Is it clear? And the second R question is, if the number of handmade fans and plates are interchanged for all the schools, then what is the total money collected by all the schools? They are asked us to find out. Now we are going to write the given data in matrices format. So we are having 3 schools. Each school is selling 3 products. Is it clear? And to find the amount what they earn, okay, what they collect by selling the product, we have to multiply the product sold with selling price of each unit. Is it clear? So for that we must write the product sold in row matrix and the cost in column matrix. That we must understand. Is it clear, students? So we must write the number of units sold in each product for each school should be written in the row matrix, and the cost of each product should be written in the column matrix. So we try to rewrite this data in the matrices format according to our requirement. Okay. Number of units sold by DPS. Is it clear? The first school, it is going to be 40 units in fans. First component is fan, then second one is mat, and the third one is going to be plates. So I have written the handmade products, the different categories, that is fan, mat and plates in horizontal way, okay, in row ways. So it is going to contain 1 row and 3 columns. Is it clear? And same way, number of units sold by the second school. CVS. Let us give the name for this. We take this as C. Okay, let us take this as D. C matrix I am going to write. Again, CVC sold handmade fans 25. So the first component will be 25 for fans, and the second one will be 40 units, that is mats. The last component plates, it is going to be 30. And you can very well see it is also going to be 1 row 3 column. And the third school, number of units sold by KVS, we take it as K. Again it is written in the row matrix format. So fans will be written 35 and the mats will be 50 and the plates will be 40, and it is going to be again 1 row 3 column. So we have written the data given in the table in the matrix format. Is it clear? Now what is the cost of each unit? Okay, for fans we are going to sell it at rupees 25 rupees, and the mats at rupees 100, and plates we are going to sell at 50 rupees. So we are going to write selling price. Selling price of handmade products. We write this as S. We try to write this in the form of column. Okay, rupees 25 for fans, rupees 100 for mats, and rupees 50 for plates. Okay. So the data given in the question we have written in the matrix format. Now we are going to start calculating the answer. The first question, what is the what is the total money collected by the school DPS? Okay, first question is a simple question. How much they collected? Is it clear? So we calculate. Amount collected by the first school DPS. How to find out? We have to multiply, find the product of D matrix and S matrix. So we multiply D with S. D matrix is of order 1 by 3 and S matrix is of order 3 by 1. So on multiplication we are going to get a matrix of order 1 by 1. Okay. So D matrix is going to be 40, 50, 20 multiplied with 25, 100, 50. Okay. I am not writing the rupees symbol. Is it clear? After the calculation we will write rupees symbol last. So 40 into 25. So 40 is multiplied with the 25, that is first element multiplied with the first element. So 40 on multiplying with the 25, it is going to be 1000 plus 50 is going to be multiplied with 100. Second element is multiplied with the second element. Second element multiplied with the second element. So 50 is multiplied with 100. So it is going to be 5000 plus third element is multiplied with the third element. So third element is multiplied with third element. 20 multiplied with 50. So it is going to be 1000. So we are going to add. So 1000 plus 5000, 6000, 6000 plus 1000, it is going to be rupees 7000. So this is the amount collected by the school DPS. So we found the answer. It is going to be rupees 7000. The second question, read the question carefully. What they have given? What is the total amount of money in rupees collected by schools CVC and KVS? Is it clear? So in this case, we are supposed to calculate the total product sold by the two schools. Is it clear? Then we have to multiply with the selling price of each unit of the product. Is it clear? Do you understand? So first we are supposed to find the total units produced or sold by the school CVC and KVS. So we are going to do addition here. Okay. Total number of products or total number of units sold by both the school CVC and KVS. So we are going to add the two matrix. C matrix is going to be added with K matrix. So we are going to add. So when you add, what you are going to get? It is going to be 25, 40, 30 plus 35, 50, 40 KVS. So we are going to add, because both the matrices are of same order, we can add their corresponding. 25 plus 35, it is going to be 60, 40 plus 50, it is going to be 90, 30 plus 40, 70. So we found out the number of units sold by the school CVC and KVS in fans. They are going to sell combined 60 units, and mats 90 units, and plates 70 units. Is it clear? So what is the total amount collected? Total amount collected by CVC and KVS. We have to multiply. Let me name this one as R matrix. Okay. So R matrix is multiplied with this S matrix. So number of units sold should be multiplied with selling price of 1 unit. Is it clear? So it is going to be equal to 60, 90, 70 multiplied with 25, 100 and 50. So 60 multiplied with 25. Is it clear? It is going to be 1500. 90 multiplied with 100. Second element is multiplied with the second element. 90 is going to be multiplied with 100. 90 on multiplying with 100, it is going to be 9000. And 70 is multiplied with 50. 70 multiplied with 50, you are going to get 3500. So we are going to add. So 3000 plus 1500 is going to be 5000. 5000 plus 9000, it is going to be rupees how much? 14,000. So this is the answer for the second question. So the amount collected by selling the handmade products by both the schools CVC and KVS is going to be equal to rupees 14,000. Okay, it is going to be 14,000. Now we are going to calculate the third question. In third question, what is the total amount of money collected by all the three schools, DPS, CVC and KVS? Is it clear? So we have already calculated the amount collected by the school DPS, and we have collected the total amount collected by CVC and KVS. So two values have already we found out. Is it clear? Now we are going to write third question. Total amount collected by DPS plus CVC and KVS. CVC and KVS we already calculated. DPS also we have already calculated. They are in the matrix format. It is going to be, one is rupees 7,000. The other one is going to be rupees 14,000. Okay, this is a 1 by 1 matrix. This is also 1 by 1 matrix. So we add. So 14,000 plus 7,000. It is going to be 21,000 rupees. So this is the total amount collected by all the three schools, rupees 21,000. So this is the first part. C question, A, B and C. Now for the R question, if the number of handmade fans plates are interchanged for all the schools, then what is the total money collected by all the schools? Okay, that is, we write here DPS, CVC, KVS. This is the actual thing. Okay, that is handmade fans. Then mats, plates. The actual value is 40, 25, 35, 50, 40, 50, 20, 30, 40. Is it clear? Now they have given, what they have given? If the number of handmade fans, that is number of handmade fans values are interchanged with plates, these two rows are going to be interchanged. Is it clear? So after interchanging, what will happen? The rows are getting interchanged. Now DPS, CVC, KVS. So it is going to be 20, 30, 40 and this remains same, 50, 40, 50. Next one 20, sorry, we are interchanging, correct? So it is going to be, the third row is written, sorry, first row is written as third row, 40, 25, 35. So now we interchange the number of units sold in plates with handmade fans. Now they are asking us to calculate what is the total money collected by all these schools. Total money collected by all these schools. Okay. Now we write number of units sold by DPS. It is written as row matrix. Okay, that is 20. Now we write number of units sold by DPS. It is written in the row format. It is going to be 40, 50, 20. The first one is going to be fan, then second one is going to be mat, and the third one is going to be plates. And the same way, number of units sold by CVC, the second school, it is going to be, now we are going to find or write the given data in the row matrix. Okay. Number of units of handmade products sold by the first school, DPS. Okay. This column elements, okay, the values written in the column is going to be written as the row. It is going to be 20, 50, 40. And second one, sold by the second school. Second school is going to be CVC. CVC is equal to, what is that? 30, 40, 25. And the third school, KVS, sold by KVS is equal to 40, 50, 35. So, we are having the number of units sold in each type of product by different school. We are having separate data. Okay. Now, I am going to calculate the total number of units sold. Okay. Total number of units sold. Total number of units sold by all the three schools. How to find out? Yes, we have to add. So, we are going to add 20, 50, 40, then 30, 40, 25, then 40, 50, 35. Is it clear? Which is nothing but, first we add the first and second matrix, 20 plus 30. I add 20 and 30. What is that? 50. Then 50 plus 40. That is nothing but 90. Then 40 plus 25. It is going to be 65. Added with the third matrix. What is that? 40, 50, 35. Now, both the matrices are of same order. I can add corresponding elements. 50 plus 40, 90. 90 plus 50, 140. 65 plus 35. It is going to be 100. And selling price of each unit remains the same. For that, no change. Selling price of each unit. It is going to be rupees 25 for fan, rupees 100 for mat, rupees 50 for plates. So, the total amount collected by all the three schools. Total amount collected by three schools is equal to, we are going to find the product 90, 140, 100 multiplied with rupees 25, rupees 100, rupees 50. So, 90 is multiplied with the 25, it is going to be 2250. 140 multiplied with 100, it is going to be 14,000. 100 multiplied with 50, so it is going to be 5,000. So, the total amount will be 2,250 plus 14,000 plus 5,000. So, it is 19,000. 19,000 plus 2,250, it is going to be rupees 21,250. So, this is the final answer for the third, rupees 21,250. Okay, students. So, we got the value for the total amount collected by all the three schools after interchanging the handmade fans quantity to the number of units sold by plates. Is it clear, students? So, in this session we have learnt how to solve the case study question in matrices. Okay, students. Thank you.